Number 1. 1993 GMC Sonoma, price $7,800, with a 2.8L V6 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. With 225,000 miles on the odometer, it's been well used but still runs reliably, recently passing a smog check with no issues. The exterior is finished in black, paired with a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. A brand new AC system has just been installed, and all the major components function properly. The only mechanical quirk is the parking brake pedal, which occasionally acts up, though that's currently being addressed. Despite its higher mileage, these trucks are known for their longevity when properly maintained. It would make a great daily driver, a dependable shop truck, or even an ideal first pickup for someone looking to learn the basics of vehicle maintenance. There are a few minor cosmetic imperfections, some cracks on the dashboard and a small crack on the passenger side door panel. There's also a minor dent in the center of the hood, though it's not very noticeable from the outside. Number 2. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500, showing 156,000 miles on the odometer. It's equipped with a 4.3-liter V6 engine paired to an automatic transmission, both of which are in good working condition. The truck runs and drives smoothly, making it a great choice for daily driving, work duties, or even as a project for light restoration. The exterior is finished in a classic green, complemented by a clean and functional tan interior. It runs on regular gasoline and has a clean Texas title in hand, ready for a straightforward sale. While the motor and transmission are performing well, the air conditioning system will need to be replaced, and the tires may soon require attention. Number 3. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. This truck is a well-maintained pickup with 170,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in a classic red, complemented by a clean charcoal interior that remains in neat condition for its age. Mechanically, the truck runs smoothly and is in good overall condition. The suspension is solid, offering a comfortable ride whether for daily use or occasional hauling. While the radio is fully functional, the air conditioning is currently not working. Still, this Chevy 1500 presents a solid and dependable option for anyone looking for a reliable older truck with character. Number 4. 1984 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,900, very original and well-maintained classic truck with 210,000 documented miles. It's powered by a reliable 350 V8 gasoline engine, which was fully rebuilt at 184,000 miles. The automatic transmission was rebuilt at 206,000 miles, and the brake system was overhauled at 208,000 miles. All work totals over $7,000, with receipts included. The truck runs and drives smoothly. It features its original black paint, recently refreshed with a clear coat, and now sports a new chrome trim kit. The gray interior is in great shape, with new window motors, gaskets, and wipers. The tires are in excellent condition, paired with new lug nuts and chrome dress rings. A matching topper has been on the truck since the 1980s, keeping the bed untouched. There's no rust in the rockers, windshield, hood, or roof rails. It still wears its original blue California plates, adding vintage appeal. The truck just passed smog, has valid tags through November 2025, and comes with a clean title in hand. This Chevy 2500 is a solid, reliable, and classic truck ready to drive and enjoy. Number 5. 1984 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000. It has approximately 170,000 miles on it. It features a white exterior paired with a blue interior and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Under the hood is a 454 big block Chevy engine that still runs strong despite a noticeable knock, which might be a lifter issue, though it hasn't been confirmed. The truck is powered by gasoline and comes with a fully built turbo 400 transmission, complete with a manual valve body and TCI torque converter, offering solid performance and durability. All of the original air conditioning components are present, though the compressor is currently not mounted. Overall, it runs and drives, offering a solid foundation for someone looking for a heavy-duty project truck with great potential. Number 6. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000. This pickup is a high-mileage but extremely reliable truck, having traveled 245,000 miles. Despite its age, it runs flawlessly. Both the engine and transmission are in perfect working condition, with no faults, leaks, or warning lights present. It's well suited for both cold and warm climates, making it versatile for any region or season. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior features a clean and tidy gray cabin. Inside, the truck is equipped with a modern Bluetooth stereo and USB connectivity for added convenience. It rides on brand new tires and comes with a clean Texas Blue title in hand, ready for transfer. While there are minor cosmetic imperfections consistent with its age, they are purely aesthetic and do not affect the performance or reliability of the vehicle. This Chevrolet 1500 is ready to hit the road. Number 7. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,500, high-mileage truck with 282,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine, it starts right up and is paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The 4x4 system works properly, making it a solid choice for both everyday driving and tougher terrain. It features an extended cab with running boards, and comes with a clean title for hassle-free ownership. The truck is finished in white with a red interior, which shows somewhere consistent with its age. A few minor issues include the AC blowing air but not cold, a passenger door latch that needs attention, and the need for a general tune-up to bring it to its best. Number 8. 1969 Ford F100, price $10,000, equipped with a manual transmission and powered by a strong FE428 V8 engine. It's paired with an NP435 4-speed transmission and a Dana 21 transfer case, delivering solid performance both on and off-road. The truck runs and drives great, featuring brand new Skyjacker Black Max shocks all around, a Skyjacker steering stabilizer, and a fully upgraded brake system with new lines, drums, rotors, pads, and bearings. A 9-inch lift kit gives it an aggressive stance, and it previously sat on 38 by 15.50 by 15 tires. It has a 1976 step-side bed with new 1x6 wood and hardware. The fuel system is completely new from front to rear, including the pump, sending unit, filler neck, and hoses. LED lighting is installed inside and out. The cab does have some rust, but overall, this F100 is a solid, well-built truck ready for the road or trails. Number 9. 1989 Dodge Dakota, price $5,900, with 225,000 miles on the odometer. It features a red exterior and matching red interior, giving it a classic and cohesive look. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong-running V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission that shifts smoothly. The truck comes equipped with power steering, power brakes, and power windows, making it easy and comfortable to drive. It also includes a nice stereo system for entertainment on the road. The air conditioning is functional, though it currently has a Freon leak that will need attention. It sits on a good set of almost new tires and is ready to hit the road. With a clean title in hand, this Dodge Dakota is a great candidate for someone looking for a classic, well-running pickup with vintage appeal and essential features still in working condition. Number 10. 1979 Chevrolet C10, price $6,800. It features a 5.3 LS engine swap paired with a smooth-shifting 4L60 automatic transmission, offering modern reliability in a classic platform. The exterior is finished in gray, and while the interior details are unspecified, the truck presents itself as a great foundation for further customization. Mechanically, it's in good shape. It runs and drives well, thanks to several recent upgrades including a new alternator, a new battery, brand new tires, and new brakes. Powered by gasoline, this C10 comes with a clean Florida title in hand, making it an ideal candidate for someone looking to complete a custom build or enjoy a dependable classic on the road.